Hello everybody, are you ready for play toys? Today we have cash register and we're going to open this great shopping basket to learn colors and fruits. Here is our pink cash register. Press the button on and you see 0 comes. When you press a number 2 plus 2 equals 4, and you can press the CE and erase everything. This is the scanner, makes a little noise and sound, and a microphone to say until one manager, please, to solve an issue. Here we've got money. Oh, look. This is the key for the till. Open. Press the button open and it opens. Let's fill it in with the money. Play money. 200, 50, 100, 20, 10, 100. Oh, 500. Let's put the money in the till. Here we've got some coins. Here are the coins: 10, 10, 20, 50, another coin of 50, and last one is 20. All the money comes in the till. Press to close, and if you want you can lock it with the key. Press open, doesn't open. We've got the sign cash register market. There you go. We have a bank card to swipe and pay. Another bank card for a different customer. Queen Elsa is going to manage the till or cash register. And now let's open this great shopping basket. Wow! This shopping basket is full with lots of goodies. Let's start buying. Rapunzel has finally come down from the tower. Hey, Elsa, Queen, I need lots of supplies. I've been in isolation for a long time. I'm going to get 1 yellow corn, 1 yellow lemon, 1 orange, an orange carrot, this is a soda drink, another soda drink, looks like Coca-Cola, yellow banana, second yellow corn, an egg, be very careful not to break it, green pepper. It looks like a chili pepper. Ooh, yummy turkey. Green cabbage. Red cabbage. Red tomato. Green grapes. Second red tomato. A piece of meat to cook perhaps a steak. Cream puff to make lots of puffs. A broth to make soupy. Red or purple grapes. Cream soup. Yummy milk chocolate bar. Wow! Isn't this your favorite? And a carton of milk. Your daily fresh milk. Wow! Rapunzel, that's a really big shopping. Do you have so much money to pay? Yes, of course. I've got my bank card. Here we go. Wow! Well, that's one big shopping basket. Let's put it all in the basket. 1 dry cream soup. 2 dry cream soup. 1 chocolate bar. 2 chocolate bars. 1 carton of milk. 2 cartons of milk. 1 puff pastry. 2 puff pastries. 1 soup maker. 2 bouillons. 1 purple grape, green grape, red cabbage, green cabbage, yellow corn, 2 yellow corns, 1 yellow lemon, 1 red tomato, 2 red tomatoes, 1 orange carrot, 2 orange carrots, 1 turkey, 1 piece of meat or steak, 1 blue soda bottle, 2 soda bottles, a brown one, orange, banana, yellow banana, 1 egg, 2 white eggs, 1 green and 1 red chili peppers. Wow, Rapunzel, really big shopping. I think I have to give you back some change. Here is 10 and 2 coins. Close the till. Here we go, together with your bank card as being such a loyal customer. Enjoy your goodies. Thank you, Elsie. Really appreciate it. Oh, that was very tiring. Now I'm going to lock my till and close the shop to go home and relax. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please subscribe for more. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.